guys, morning. We're having egg mayo sandwich and also baked salad finally. So we are heading out for dinner. My face looks very tired because of the angle. Like you can see my dark circles. It's my vlog. That's what vlogging is about. You tell where you go, you tell what you eat. Anyway, we didn't go to the gym today. We weren't feeling very well. Like I felt very weak and I just wasn't feeling good in general. And we didn't go to the gym because also our legs were sore from yesterday's leg workout. I can barely walk, but we're gonna go to the gym tomorrow for day 1 squats and bench. I don't know how I'll feel about that because right now I still feel a bit nauseous and feel a bit weak, but I'm excited for food. We're going to an Indian restaurant. It's right there. I told you. Hang Kanan.
Ni cetni. Macam itu lah.
Sama kat Malaysia pun macam tu juga kan?
Review sikit.
Dah gedak lah. Syarah.
65.
Oh, hari ni dah 17,000 steps je jalan jauh.
Oh, tak nampak dia punya apa? Kuih ikan dia padu.
Okay, so we are almost stranded. So this is the life when Saudi Arabia rains. The best place you can see. I'm soaked. Oh my god, I'm soaked in water, but it was a fun experience. We're on the way to go take Mama and Baba. Mama and Baba's friends. Life. Protein, salad, tea. KFC fries, compared to the one in Malaysia, this one is nicer. It literally tastes like McDonald's fries. So we are heading to Danube, which is a supermarket. I guess that you guys have seen me go there multiple times. I love it. It's my favorite supermarket. It's there's a lot of it in Saudi. Never mind, turns out we're going to Lulu hypermarket. We're not going to Danube because it's quite far. So in the morning starting to get sleepy because it's already almost 8. There's boba. Mama nak boba tak?
Dekat Malaysia juga ke?
Tak ada, tapi Mama nak sugar tak?
Tak nak.
Tak nak. Tapi nak.
Oh, baby.
Mana? See? No, baby. See? You guys say no is what? The pee-pee? But no, baby. Baby, no, baby. Cheese fiesta.
Halloumi.
Okay, Mama tolak. Saya pegang.
Itulah mana dapat dah kau.
I'm taking one of this. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're almost reaching home. I'm having boba with me. We're gonna have some hummus and some labna and some stuff that we bought. I'm just gonna eat that with Arab bread, just a flat bread basically. thank you for watching the vlog. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.